Good morning, students. Again, I am discussing the chi-square test along with the problems of 8 corrections. So, I am already told that the 8 corrections is one of the conditions for the application of x square test is that no cell frequency should be less than 5 in any cases, though 10 is better. This requirement is to avoid inflated chi-square value due to the division of the squared differences by a small size of the expected frequency. When the theoretical frequencies are less than 10 and especially less than 5, the ordinary table value of x square are less than reliable. This is especially true for 1 degree of freedom. It is true to be lesser extent for 2 or 3 degree of freedom. However, the error is negligible for more than 3 degrees of freedom. So in case of 8 corrections, so in this topic I am discussing about the problems on 8 correction under chi-square test. Learning objectives here. These concepts help students to be familiarized with the 8 corrections method. This helps the student to understand the concept of 8 corrections. Session outcome. By the end of this session, students should be able to understand the concept of 8 corrections. Student should also be able to express their opinion regarding the 8 corrections. The second problems I am discussing here. The following information was obtained in a sample of 50 small general shops. 50 ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ನಾನು 50 ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೂರಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್, ಅರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ರೂರಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್. ಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ 17 ಇದೆ, ರೂರಲಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಂದು 35 ಬಂದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ that is urban plus rural equals 35 ಆಯಿತು. In the same way, women 3 ಅರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 12 ರೂರಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಂದು 15 ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ದೆನ್ ರೂರಲ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 20, 17 ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 ವುಮೆನ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ 20, ರೂರಲ್ ಬಂದು 18 ಮತ್ತು 12, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ 30. ಇನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 50. Can it be said that there are relatively more women owners of small general shops in both the areas, and the degree of freedom at a significant level are at 5%. Let us assume there are equal number of men and women owners of small shops in both the areas. There are equal number of men and women owners of small shops in both area ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ ಓನರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೂರಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ 8 ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಜಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ includes the men and women, urban includes men and women, rural includes men and women, and the grand total here. Men in case of urban area 17, in case of rural area 18, and the total is 35. Women's are in case of urban area 3, rural area 12, and total 15. And the grand total in both urban and rural, men and women, includes 20, rural 30, and the total is 50. That is 35 plus 15. This equals to 50. Therefore, we require to calculate observed frequency and expected frequency. O is 17, 18, 3 and 12. Expected frequency is 12, 21, 6 and 9. O minus E minus 0.5 is 2.5 in case of one first step, second one again 2.5, third one again 2.5, and fourth stage is also 2.5. Then O minus E minus 0.5 whole square is equals to all the steps we are getting 6.25. Nothing but 2.5 converted into the square root. We are getting 6.25. Then the O minus E square divided by E. O minus E square divided by E means O minus E square 6.25. O minus E square is nothing but 6.25. Divide by E is nothing but divide by 14. Then we are getting 0.446. The same way, in the second step, 0.298. In the third stages or the third step, 1.0417. And the fourth stages or the fourth step, 0.694. Then the x square is the total of all these total value, we are getting 2.48. Then the degree of freedom, the row minus 1 multiplied into column minus 1 is equals to 1 into 1. We are getting the degree of freedom is, level of degree of freedom is 1. Then since the calculated value of x square nothing but g square is 2.48 is less than its critical value as per 5% degree of significance is 3.84. This equals to 1. The null hypothesis is accepted because hence we conclude that equal number of men and women owners of small shops in both the areas. Nothing but we conclude that equal number of men and women owners of a small shops in both the areas includes rural as well as urban area. Then the 8 corrections to be made. The formulas for 8 corrections again here. X squared equals a plus b plus c plus d multiplied into ad minus bc whole square divided by a plus b multiplied into c plus d multiplied into a plus c multiplied into b plus d, or g square equals, I am already told that x square equals sigma o minus e observed frequency minus expected frequency minus 0.5 whole square divided by expected frequency. This is about another problems for 8 corrections. Thank you one and all.